Welcome once again, students. In today's video we are going to start a new topic, that is problem solving and discrete maths. It's a vast topic and we have selected the subtopic Tower of Hanoi. Let me first give you a brief description of what is this Tower of Hanoi. The Tower of Hanoi is a mathematical game or puzzle. It consists of 3 rods and a number of different discs which can slide onto another, or you can say it is placed one upon the other. The puzzle starts with a disc in a neat stack in ascending order of size on one rod, the smallest at the top, thus making a conical shape. I'll show you the image and I'll explain you one example as well. Let me first explain the rules of this puzzle. You can move only one disc at a time. Second rule is only the uppermost disc can be moved. Third rule is no disc may be placed on top of a smaller disc. So I hope you are clear with the 3 rules. First rule is you can move only one disc at a time. Second rule is only the uppermost disc can be moved. And the third rule, that you cannot place a smaller disc at the top of you cannot place a bigger disc on the top of a smaller disc. So let us solve one example. In the Tower of Hanoi, how many poles are used? So the correct answer is 3 poles. Now there's an example given over here. Try solving the Tower of Hanoi challenge with 3 discs. So here 3 discs are given. Let me show you the solution stepwise. In the first step, you can see the 3 discs are placed one upon the other with the biggest disc at the bottom and the smallest at the top. Though I have shown here 2 moves at a time, but when you are actually doing, you can move at least only one. So in the second picture, you can see that I've moved the topmost smallest disc on the third bar, that is the destination one. And my next move is to place the blue disc on the extra bar. So 2 moves I've taken, but don't consider it as one move. First step, the smallest disc is moved to destination. Second step, the blue disc is moved to the extra. Now, next step, again the smallest disc is moved at the top of the blue disc, as we know that we can place a smaller disc at the top of a bigger disc and we can move only one disc at a time. Next one. Now the purple disc, that is the biggest disc, is placed at the destination because we want it actually at the bottom. Now again we can move only one disc, so what is done, that the maroon one is placed at the source and the blue one is placed at the top of the purple. This consider it as 2 moves. Though I have shown it in one step, but please consider it as 2 moves. So what you get is the purple one at the bottom, blue upon it, and the maroon one can be directly placed at the top of blue one, and this way we are able to move all the discs from the source to the destination by placing the biggest disc at the bottom and the smallest disc at the top. So this puzzle is called as Tower of Hanoi. Now here is an assignment with 4 discs and 3 poles, as you know. So just the way I have shown, you can also draw the images of this and show the movements of the disc, and finally you have to show that all the discs are moved to the goal or to the destination. So try this assignment, draw it in your notebook, draw the proper steps in your notebook, what moves you are going to take by showing step 1, step 2 and so on. Okay, so this was all about today's assignment. I'll end the topic now. Do practice it. It is very interesting. Okay, children. Thank you. Thank you so much.